Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, today what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you what's going on with my compost pile in the center of my garden. Alright, I've been putting all through the year, I've been putting grass, weeds out of the garden just like this. When I take them up out of the garden, what I do, I bring them and I dump them right in this area. Now I'm going to show you what's actually going on down here. Do you see how everything is breaking down? Do you see how so fast everything is breaking down naturally? I didn't have to add nothing to this. I just allow nature to do the job and it's working. And if it was raining a little more, it would have even break down further. So the more I dig go down, the more we realize how beautiful the compost is and how everything is just breaking down. This is natural compost. This is natural grass and all these things put together and put down inside here, and it's actually breaking down and turning into compost. So now if you see how fast this break down? This actually break down within this year. Within this year, this actually break down few months, and look what happening. Look what happening. I can imagine to them that way down to the bottom, but now this is actually food for the plants. You see what I'm saying, guys? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all this and I'm gonna add it in the raised bed in the fall. So all this now, this is really amazing. By taking some time out, bringing the weeds that I take up out the garden, which is these right here, add them together, and this is what we get from that. Beautiful compost for our plant. As simple as 1, 2, 3. Nothing complicated. Nothing complicated. It's something simple, natural, and easy. Even the baby can make this compost. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace, love, and blessing. So I'm gonna just leave it there and allow it to break down.